In today's video, we're going to talk about Canva Code AI and if it's actually worth using. Canva has added Code AI to help users generate websites, apps, and interactive designs just by typing prompts, and honestly, it's impressive for beginners. It's easy to use and you don't need coding experience. Just describe what you want and it builds something usable in seconds. It's great for quick prototypes, landing pages, or simple tools. And now, what's not so good? It's still limited. The generated code isn't always perfect, and customization can feel restrictive if you're used to full coding environments. Advanced features are also hit or miss. The truth is, Canva Code AI isn't replacing developers anytime soon, but it's a powerful tool for creators, students, and small businesses who want fast results without technical headaches. If you want speed and simplicity, it's a win. But if you need full control, you might outgrow it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!